I love to speak with Leonard. He's a sportsman and a shepherd.
Oh, I heard you pray for the runaway man. I heard you softly whispered, hallelujah. You rang the bells that still could ring. Saw the crack in everything. And when the light came in, it wasn't made just to fool you. In your tower of song, with your faith so strong, I heard you ask, whom shall I say is calling? Oh, the wars, they will be fought again. The holy dove will be caught again. Caught and sold and bought and then you will see Manhattan falling. Like a bird on a wire, like a drunk in a midnight choir. You have tried in your way to be free.
He's a lazy bastard living in a suit.